Howdy guys, and welcome to week 4 shoutouts. I thought about showing you guys what novels made it to the read box for your viewing pleasure. So, stay tuned to see if your novels made it. Before I do that though, I have to give a birthday shout out to Roger. Roger, I hope you have a great and fabulous day and have a happy birthday. It is also Mr. Kellen's birthday, so I will be making all of his favorites, including chocolate cake. Wish me luck, y'all. And just so you know, you're not the only ones reading. Some of your teachers have shared what they are reading. Miss Morales is reading A Whole New World. Now, this isn't your typical Aladdin story. It's a twisted tale. What if Aladdin never found the lamp? Ooh, it's getting good. And Miss Williamson is reading a historical book that is called 5. And you guys all know and love my niece Hazley. She is even getting into books. Okay, well, she may not be reading them yet, but you know I'm going to be throwing books her way. So maybe you can read to a younger sibling this week. But what did make it to Read Box this week? Well, you can find out on 22 Reed Street. We have anything from comedy to The Terrible Twos to Harry Potter to some action-filled books from 39 Clues. We got The Mission Titanic, we got Maze Runner, and we also have some books that are already sold out, which means a lot of kids are reading those. And that one is Refugee. I have a couple kids reading that one. We also have a popular series, and you guys know and love this series. It is the Percy Jackson series. Derek is picking up with the Titan's Curse, and AJ is reading the last book, The Last Olympian. Okay, AJ, you can't give anything away to those who haven't read it yet, but this is a very popular series. And what I love about fiction is you can say you're reading fiction, but yet there's such a wide variety of what kind of fiction. I have several students who are reading scary horror books, so props to you, TJ, Giada, Abby. Oof, there's some more, but ooh, scary. I get goosebumps already. And there's some mystery in there with your Nancy Drew series. And what is going on with Tuck and his family, Amaya and Tuck Everlasting? And the City of Ember. Peyton's going to find out in that one. There's also sports related. You know, Dylan picked up that one, and Noah with the crossover. And there's some books that take you back in time, such as The Bicycle Spy, Making Bombs for Hitler, and The War That Saved My Life. Interesting. Usually don't put war and saving your life in the same sentence. But there are so many different books out there that have to do with fiction that I'm so glad you guys found your book you wanted to read that you get to go in and read. So, grab your favorite snacks and find your favorite spot to read, whether that's on the couch, outside, in a secret spot under a tent, or even with a friend through FaceTime or Zoom. Okay, dive into your books and discover a whole other world. Love you guys. Bye.